I hope you all are fine. Welcome in science class, beta. In previous session, I have discussed with you about isotopes. And I discussed that isotopes are the atom of same element which have same atomic number but different mass number. So remember the thing, mass number is different. But due to difference in their mass number, it is a kind of problem. Then when we have to write the mass number of oxygen, then should we take it as a 16 or 17 or 18? So it is very difficult to find out 16 should be taken or 17 or 18. So this problem can be easily solved by calculating the average atomic mass. तो जब भी हमें एटॉमिक मास देखना है और आइसोटॉप का एटॉमिक मास देखना है तो फिर हम डिफरेंट आइसोटॉप्स के एटॉमिक मास का एवरेज निकालते हैं. सो दिस कैलकुलेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. I will discuss with you about two different methods. In one method, I will discuss if average atomic mass is given, isotopes are given in percentage. Like in this question, chlorine with 35 and chlorine with 37 mass. They are given in percentage. Like chlorine 35 is 75%, chlorine 37 is 25%. If percentage is given of isotopes, then how we will calculate? This is the formula. Average atomic mass equals to 35 of 75%. 35 कितने परसेंट है? 75. So 75% means 75 by 100 plus 37 of 25%. So 25 by 100. Then after that you can go through this calculation. 35 into 75 upon 100 plus this one is plus 37 into 25 upon 100. Then 100 will be taken as LCM. 35 into 75 plus 37 into 25. Then after their multiplication we get 2625 plus 925 by 100. When add this 3550 by 100, then 0 से 0 cancel, and when we divide it by 3 then it is 35.5. And atomic mass will be measured as unified mass, so it will be written U. It's very bad. So it will be written as U. U means unified mass. U means unified mass. So U is the unit. In previous chapter we will discuss that this thing, that atomic mass will be measured in unified mass U. So 35.5 U. So whenever there will be atomic mass of chlorine, so we will not take only 35 or only 37. We will take 35.5. This is the average atomic mass. Now a different method is also given. If ratio of isotope is given in the nature, like chlorine 35 is 3 and chlorine 37 is 1. So 3:1. 35 and 37 isotopes of chlorine are present in nature in 3:1. Again the formula is average atomic mass. 35 of 3/4, because 3 और 1 का रेशो, that means total 4 हैं और 4 में से 3 पार्ट इसके हैं 35 वाले आइसोटॉप के और 1 है 37 वाला आइसोटॉप. तो 35 into 3/4 plus 37 into 1/4. Then again 35 into 3 plus 37 into 1 upon 4. 35 into 3 plus 37 into 1, 4 हमने LCM ले लिया. 105 plus 37 by 4, this one, and again after calculation we will get the average atomic mass, again 35.5. So the answer is same. If isotopes are given in ratio or if isotopes are given in percentage, the average atomic mass will remain same. So there are different methods of calculation. You can go through this calculation. Okay, then next topic, and this one is the last topic of this chapter, isobars. Isobars, again Dalton gave an postulate, and in that postulate, Dalton said that the atoms of different elements are different. But what isobar says? Isobars are atoms of different element. These are the atoms of different elements having different atomic number but same mass number. These pairs of elements have the same number of nucleons. Same number of nucleons means proton plus neutrons. So what are nucleons? Nucleons means protons plus neutron. So this one is known as nucleons. Like example, calcium, atomic number 20 and mass number 40. Argon, atomic number 18 and mass number 40. Here, iron, atomic number 26, mass number 58. Nickel, atomic number 27, mass number 58. Now, can you say that calcium, because it contains atomic number 20, number of electrons are 20, number of protons are 20 and number of neutrons 14 minus 20, it will be 20 number of neutrons. And here in the case of argon, 18 is the atomic number. So number of electrons are 18, number of protons are 18, but the mass number 40 minus 18. So the mass number will be, number of neutrons will be 22. तो आपने देखा आइसोबार में नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन भी दोनों पेयर में सेम नहीं है, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स भी सेम नहीं है, नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स भी सेम नहीं है, तो इनके कोई भी पार्टिकल सेम नहीं होता. बट द सम ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन, लाइक इट इज रिटन हियर, सम ऑफ प्रोटॉन and neutron, that is nucleons, will remain same and hence their mass number is same. So you can make a table like you already discussed in your isobar time. तो जैसा आपने आइसोबार में टेबल डिस्कस की थी, आप आइसोटॉप की भी ऐसी ही टेबल बना सकते हैं, इनके बोहर मॉडल बना सकते हैं. So that will be easy for you to identify the number of electron, proton and neutron. The same happened in the case of iron. In the next session, I will discuss the exercise of this chapter with you. So in exercise, we will discuss about the different problems. If you have any problem before that, then you can easily call me and you can understand that. I hope you understand this topic. Have a nice day. Goodbye.